Hello everyone, welcome to K4 Craft. Today we'll be learning some basic shapes of quilling. We'll need quilling pen, glue, circle sizer and some paper quilling strips. So we'll start with quilling the paper strip. After we are ready with the coil, I'm pulling the center down and pinching the tip with a little bit of bend. This is our shaped teardrop. Now we are again quilling a coil. After I'm ready with the coil, I'm going to take the back of my quilling pen and take the middle of the coil and bend it as shown. This is our curved teardrop. Again, we are quilling a coil. After I'm ready with my coil, I'm holding on both the ends and pinching it. Now I'm giving a small turn on both the sides. This is a shaped marker. Now I'm again quilling a coil. After my coil is ready, I'm pinching on both sides, leaving a curve below and a pointed edge on the top. So in total we'll have 3 points. This is a duck foot. I'm quilling a coil again. After I'm ready with the coil, I'm pinching both the sides . And pinching 2 more sides. So in total we have 4 sides pinched. This is a shaped square. Again I'm quilling a coil. After I'm ready with the coil, I'm pinching one side and I'm pinching another side close to the previous side. Then I'm leaving a gap and pinching on the opposite sides. So here also we have 4 points in total, making a rectangular shape. You can adjust the shape with your quilling pen. Again, I'm quilling a coil. After I'm done with the coil, I'm pinching both sides to create a curve. I'm shaping the curve according to a crescent shape. Here I'm using the pen to give it a little more shape. I've kept it narrow on the tip and I'm pushing it upward to keep a broader surface down. This is a crescent. Now I'm quilling again to make a coil. After I'm ready with the coil, I'm pinching one side and holding two other sides and pinching to create a triangle. These are some basic shapes. Thank you for watching.